Before we dive into our full iTech World electrical install, we have a bunch of small but important jobs to tick off. Nothing too major on its own, but they need finishing off before we can get down to the final big stuff. We're on the home straight, people. Hey YouTube, if you're new here, we're Ben and Shelley and we're turning this empty van into our dream home on wheels. However, this isn't our first van, but this one's bigger, smarter and a bit more luxe. Let me catch you up on where we're up to. We've done all the installation, chucked some huge solar panels on the roof, built all of our cabinets, bed and kitchen, and made some beautiful arch recesses in our walls. With the help of Shelley's dad Terry on the tools, we've almost finished building our ultimate off-grid van, so stay tuned. So this is our to-do list. Build cupboard doors and then paint the doors, find and fix the mystery squeak, test the plumbing out, and cut and fit the ceiling. First job, the cupboard doors. If you missed it before, we made our desk, cupboard, wardrobe, laundry, and most importantly, our electrical storage as one large unit. And this needs 6 doors. So our cupboard unit is going to be 1885mm long, 800 tall, and 425mm wide. This is then going to be split into 5 compartments, 2 middle cupboards for clothes, 2 electrical cupboards, 1 small cupboard with an extra seat on, and 1 extra. This will then have 2 desks built on top, and a bench top as well. Once the doors are pieced together, we use join filler putty to seal up the edges and give it a nice finish. Once the putty was dried and sanded, it was time to slap on some paint. The paints we used were called Almond Milk for the main unit and Bundanoon on the insides.
Good one. Oh, look at that clean line.
There was also a mystery squeak that had been driving us mad for weeks, so we finally decided to hunt it down. What are you up to, Shell?
A bit of squeak in the van. We thought it was our stuff, but it's actually the shockies in the van. We've taken one out, so we're rattling it to see. We'll wait for permission or I'll knock down underneath the van. Try it?
Give this a squeak.
It's way better though.
It's still pretty squeaky. Just another day with BS.
Okay, try that.
What is squeaking? It's not the shockies. So this van is still under warranty. It's only done like 1,000, I think we're up to 2,000 kilometers now, but we are troubleshooting ourselves because we're not sure if it's something we've done or something with the van. Okay, back to the drawing board. Mission, get rid of this squeak.
Another little win for the day. We managed to fix the squeaking. Something to do with the suspension underneath. So Terry's gone under there, greased it all up, and it's sounding, well, quiet, which is great because it was so loud before. So there we go. 2 wins today. Actually, it wasn't the suspension at all. The squeak came back, so we took the van into LDV and it was something to do with the tail shaft, which they replaced under warranty, and it's been perfect ever since. Then, before the ceilings and walls close everything up, we wanted to test the plumbing. Last thing we want is to put the walls in place and then find a leak and have to take it all apart again. Time has come to put our water system to the test. Fill it up, make sure it's all working after doing all the plumbing this week. Wish us luck.
That means it isn't that long. Hello?
Oh, it started.
She's filling.
It sounds like it's going in nice and quick now.
It does.
No leaks or water in here, which is a good thing.
So we know it's full, or you could check the water level, but there'll be some water coming back out the...
Breather.
Yeah, that's the worst end of the day.
It'll take a while to fill up though.
5 minutes, I reckon.
Yeah, how many litres have we got?
130 something.
130 litres.
Stop. Oh, it barely took any time. Perfect. Maybe 4 or 5 minutes. Got a snack in that time.
So there's a couple of spots that it's leaking from, so we just need to tighten up the threads. But it filled up very quickly, and
It's all good. We'll fix that.
Yeah, all good so far.
So we're just wiring up the pump just to a spare battery that we have. And then we're going to turn on the taps and check it all works inside. Okay.
Hey!
The opposite way to what I
Quite
thought.
noisy.
Yeah.
Big time in there.
Can I have a look, Shell?
So as I'm sure you're aware, that probably wasn't quite the end of the day that we were hoping for, but it's not all doom and gloom. It means we've got the wiring hooked up right for the pump because that was working, which means the switch is right. The water is coming out the tap as it's meant to, which means that we've got that. The drain is working as it's supposed to. I think what we just need to do is drill an air hole vent in the grey water tank to stop that coming back up. And we need to tighten up just a few of the connections thingies. They just need to be redone, so they're just little leaks in them. It's not the end of the world, it's just a bad note to end a pretty productive good week on, but can't win everything. And this is the first sort of thing that we've really tested besides the fans, so of course there's going to be a hiccup along the way, but really not the end of the world, and we'll get it sorted. Also, another plus is that the water tank's filled up super quickly, so that's really good. It means it's a nice, easy, smooth flowing system all throughout. We managed to get all the plumbing stuff sorted off camera, meaning we could finally get the ceiling panels in, and what a huge difference that made.
Oh, can you bring that?
First is the ceiling just tacked in.
11:45. I'll just go 11:44 so we've got room to get it in.
Oh wow! Looks so good. I'm like, oh, you did the fan! Amazing! Holy moly!
It might have just been a collection of random little jobs, but we really want to show as much of the build as we can, and it set us up perfectly for what's next, the full electrical install. That episode, you're not going to want to miss it.
I'm nervous.